Today we are going to learn how to grow Azolla growing, and we know that we have two types of Azolla, and also we have two systems of farming of Azolla. That's large scale farm and small scale farming. But for today we are going to learn how to plant Azolla in small scale farm, as you can see here. And first we need to start by digging the hole, as you can see here, about 7 inch. That's centimeters, or approximately at the required depth, be it 30 centimeters, be it 1 inch, not 1 inch, not the less than that centimeters, but the required depth is the farmer's choice, as you can see here. But in small scale farming, here we need to make the pond first. As you can see here now, we have dug the pond and make sure that the pond is level, as you can see here now. All the edges are in good condition, and also the pond is leveled, as you can see here, as this is how it being used. Like, as you can see here, as compared to large scale farmers tend to build blocks and concrete, but a small scale farm, mostly farmers, we used black bags, as you can see here. In this other side, we use these black bags, which we use to act, act as the which they used to act as the concrete, and also they prevent water from leaking. That's why we use these black bags, as you can see here, in small scale farming. Then now, after having done with that, as you can see here, we have now spread the bag up to the pond. In the pond, as you can see here now, we have done with spreading the bag up to the pond. As you can see here, we used to add about two bags, so that to make sure that they could be strong enough, and also that it could prevent chances of leaching in the bags. That's why we use two bags, as you can see here now. For this case, we have used two bags, and now we are done with making Azolla pond. As you can see here, we must make sure that it's level, as you can see in this video. The Azolla pond is good and well leveled, as you can see here. Azolla pond is good and leveled here, as you can see here. Now we have made the Azolla pond, as you can see here now. This Azolla pond is good now, in good condition, as you can see here. And also about the width and length, as you can see here, wide should be about 1 meters, and length in small scale farming, I'm talking about in small scale farming, wide should be 1 meter, and length should be decided farmer according to the farmer's choice. Due to, if it could be 1 meter, a farmer may tend to operate and have this Azolla in good condition, as you can see here. You might do this and then harvest Azolla, and by doing this will prevent the chances of stepping. Due to stepping on the Azolla, we can cause leaching, due to some gambuts have sharp edges, and also they may cause tight and result to leaching of Azolla. Then, having done with the filling of spreading the bag, as you can see here, as I have shown you the previous minutes ago, the next step is to put the manure at the bag mixed with soil in the correct ratio. That's manure with soil, as you can see here, and place at the middle of the pond, so that to make the pond to be good enough, and so that to make the manure to osmosis, so that manure nutrients will be moved into the rest part of. Why they could do that, due to active transport and osmosis. Now nutrients could move to the rest part of the pond, as you can see here. Then after having done that, we fill water at the pond, as you can see here now. We have done with the filling of water, and then after having done with filling of water, the next step is that to plant Azolla, as you can see here now. For this case, we have done with Azolla, and now we have done with planting Azolla. So there's some challenges that you may encounter in Azolla pond, as you can see. There's some challenges that you may encounter in Azolla pond, due to as leaching, as you can see here. This one is leaching. Leaching also causes Azolla pond to eventually to loosen their weight, and also eventually they die due to lack of enough water, due to Azolla is an aquatic plant which survive on water only. As you can see here now, we need also to make sure that we prevent Azolla from drying up, from dying, due to by adding enough water, or adding plenty water to the pond, so that to make it to be good and strong enough. so that to prevent Azolla to dry. Also, the other thing, as you can see here, we have the other thing is that we have the problem of water being rise in temperature of water. As you can see, some more things, and then that's it affect the anxiety, hence making the Azolla ponds to Azolla to turn brown in color. As you can see. For this case, it makes Azolla turn brown, and the time that Azolla will turn brown, then we'll end up losing Azolla due to decline of good, due to due to decline of enough nutrients, and also due to lack of enough nutrients which could be manufactured through transpiration and photosynthesis. That's why Azolla may end up dying, turning brown in color. And then things that make Azolla turn brown in color is that increase in temperature is the thing that make Azolla to turn brown, and other thing that make Azolla to turn brown is that increase in nitrogen fixing bacteria, that if it's increased, and also if they become more short, they become short, also they make Azolla to turn brown, and hence end up drop in Azolla production. And then the last thing is that which affect Azolla, also there is challenge that affect Azolla is that frogs and other aquatic animals such as frogs, turtles and newts, also those make the Azolla to be their feeds, and also they feed on Azolla. And how to prevent them is that scaring them away, and also using a timber or any substance that is a tool we use to harvest Azolla by moving it twice per day, so that make their environment to be unfavorable for making their habitat to be unfavorable for them, and then scaring them away by moving them. And by doing that, we will manage to have done with done with this done with the preventing of them. And then after having done that, we only need Azolla, only we need to give it about 7 days, 7 to 10